In this video we will solve some questions and we will make a practice about arrays. Let's start. In the first questions we will define a multidimensional array that contains 4 employees information as follow. Let's start to write it. Our multidimensional array will contain 4 associative array because we have some case. You can see. Let's start to write our first employee. As we create our multidimensional array which contains 4 associated array. Let's print the structure of our array with print r function. Yes, we print it, as you can see. In the second question we will find total salary of employees and we will print salary and name of each employee. We will use a for each loop. Let's start to create a total variable. We will initialize it as 0. Let's print each employee. Let's calculate total. Yes, we calculated. As you can see, we calculate total number and we print name and salary of each employee by using for each loop. Let's start to run this code. Yes, we get the result successfully. Third question, we need to find employees who work in IT and we will push them to a new array, name it array IT. For this task we will use for loop. Let's start to do it. We need to create a array IT. We will initialize it as empty and let's start to write our for loop. We will check whether the employee working in IT or not. the if department of employee is IT, we will store the employee in array IT. We will call array push function to push our employee to array IT. Let's print our array IT. Yes, we get it. As you can see, we push the employees who work in IT to array IT array. Also, we can find the length of array IT. Let's find it. As you can see, there are 2 persons in IT department. In the end of our question, we will find the youngest person in IT and we will delete this person from the array. Let's try to do it. Let's define a temporary variable to store index of this person. We will compare each person. If the age is smaller, we will assign index of it to temporary variable. Let's print the youngest person. When we run this code, we will see the youngest person in IT. Let's run it. Yes, we can see his name. His name is Berk, who is the youngest person. And let's try to delete the youngest person. We will use array splice function. When we run this line, we will delete the Berk from our array. We can see it more clear with a printr function. Yes, as you can see here, we will delete him. He doesn't exist in our array IT.